Ever wondered how your current lifestyle habits are affecting your health? Well, it's a question worth pondering. You see, living a healthy lifestyle does more than just help you shed a few pounds. It's about feeling more energetic, boosting your mood, and enhancing your overall quality of life. Imagine waking up each morning feeling refreshed and ready to conquer the day. That's what a healthy lifestyle can offer. It's like having an invisible shield, protecting you from chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. But the benefits don't stop there. A healthy lifestyle also contributes to stronger bones and muscles, improved memory and brain health, and even a brighter, more youthful appearance. It's like having the key to a treasure chest of wellness. So, how do you get started on this journey to a healthier, happier you? Well, stay tuned. We're about to reveal the secrets to unlocking your healthiest life. Step 1 in our journey to a healthier lifestyle: nutrition. One cannot overstate the importance of a well-rounded diet. Picture your plate as a vibrant canvas, filled with a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. These natural wonders are brimming with essential vitamins and minerals that help your body function at its best. But let's not forget about lean proteins, the building blocks of your body. They play a pivotal role in muscle growth and repair. Next up, whole grains. These fiber-filled powerhouses help keep you satisfied and your digestive system humming along. Lastly, don't shy away from healthy fats. Foods like avocados, nuts, and seeds provide the good kind of fat that supports heart health and boosts your mood. So, as you embark on this journey, aim for a diverse diet that combines all these elements. Remember, it's all about balance and variety. Step 2. Get moving. Physical activity is a powerful tool in our wellness toolkit. It's not just about shedding pounds or building muscles, though those are great perks. Regular exercise has a wealth of benefits, from increasing energy levels and improving mood to reducing the risk of a host of chronic diseases. You don't have to run a marathon or climb a mountain to reap these benefits. Simple, everyday activities can make a big difference. Consider taking a brisk walk around the block, stretching your limbs with some yoga, or even grooving to your favorite tunes for a living room dance party. The key is to find activities that you enjoy, so it doesn't feel like a chore. Perhaps you love the tranquility of early morning yoga, or maybe the exhilaration of a dance-off gets your heart racing. Find your groove and make it a regular part of your day. Physical activity can be fun, rewarding, and most importantly, good for your health. Step 3. Prioritize rest and relaxation. We live in a fast-paced world, constantly connected and perpetually busy. This can often lead to stress and burnout, undermining our health and well-being. But here's the good news. You can combat this by making rest and relaxation an absolute priority. Think about restorative activities like meditation. It's a simple yet powerful practice that can help you calm your mind, reduce anxiety, and improve your focus. Or consider deep breathing exercises. They're an effective way to reduce stress, boost your energy, and promote better sleep. And let's not forget about the importance of unplugging from technology. We're so attached to our screens that we often forget how refreshing it can be to simply switch off and enjoy some quiet time. So remember, carve out time for restorative activities. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's not just about feeling good, it's crucial to your health. Step 4, stay hydrated. Step 5, manage stress. Now let's delve into these crucial aspects of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Hydration is an often overlooked yet vital component of our health. Our bodies are about 60% water, and this fluid plays a key role in many bodily functions, from aiding digestion to keeping our skin healthy. Therefore, it's important to drink plenty of water throughout the day, not just when you're thirsty. To make it more enticing, you can infuse your water with slices of fresh fruit or herbs for a refreshing twist. And remember, foods high in water content like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges also contribute to your hydration. Moving on to step 5, managing stress. Stress is a common part of life, but if left unchecked, it can lead to a host of health issues, including heart disease, high blood pressure, and depression. That's why it's essential to have effective stress management techniques in your toolbox. Exercise is a proven stress buster. It releases endorphins, the body's natural mood elevators. So, get moving. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a dance party in your living room, find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Journaling can also be a powerful tool for managing stress. Writing about your thoughts and feelings can help you understand them better and gain a new perspective. It can be as simple as jotting down a few lines about your day, or as detailed as writing long-form entries about your experiences. And let's not forget the healing power of nature. Spending time outdoors can have a calming effect on the mind and body. So take a walk in a park, tend a garden, or simply sit and enjoy the beauty of the natural world around you. Make hydration and stress management a part of your daily routine. Remember, it's not about drastic changes, but small, consistent steps towards a healthier, happier you. It's all about balance and finding what works for you. So, drink up, breathe deep, and keep moving forward on your wellness journey. Finally, step 6, set realistic goals. Now, this is a crucial part of the journey to a healthier lifestyle. It's not about going from 0 to 100 overnight. It's about gradual, sustainable changes. Now, what does it mean to set realistic goals? It means starting small. If you're new to exercise, don't aim to run a marathon in your first month. Maybe start with a daily walk around the block. If you're trying to eat healthier, don't aim to cut out all junk food at once. Maybe start by adding an extra serving of vegetables to your dinner. And remember, be specific with your goals. Instead of saying, I want to be healthier, try saying, I will drink an extra glass of water each day. This gives you a clear, measurable target to aim for. And above all, celebrate your progress. Every positive choice, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Start small, be specific, and celebrate your progress. There you have it, 6 simple steps to kickstart your journey to a healthier lifestyle. This journey is yours to take, and these steps are yours to tailor. It's an exciting path filled with discovery and growth. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progress. So take it one step at a time, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and inspiration. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep shining bright.